cruising the deep blue, we encounter creatures of unmatched prowess. First off, the great white shark, the ocean's fearless predator. Armed with 300 razor-sharp teeth, it's a force to be reckoned with. Next, meet the hammerhead shark, a master navigator. With eyes on the sides of its peculiar head, it can see more than most, making it a brilliant hunter. Third, the whale shark, the gentle giant. It's the largest fish in the sea, yet it feeds mostly on tiny plankton. A lesson in humility, perhaps? Lastly, the tiger shark, the ocean's trash can. It'll eat anything from tires to license plates, proving its adaptability. In the realm of the deep, these sharks rule supreme. Each with their unique abilities, they continue to intrigue and inspire. Until next time, keep exploring.